Hi, welcome again to the Money Minute. I'm Devin Shute. So there's a saying that goes, investing is simple but not easy. Now to my mind, this is an incredibly true statement. To be successful in investing, one needs to buy a high quality, well-diversified investment and allow the passage of time for it to grow and compound your wealth. Now this sounds simple, right? But unfortunately, as we all know, the reality is not so easy. The journey of remaining invested often is a very bumpy and unnerving one. And the challenge for every investor is for us not to panic when financial markets drop lower. Now, there are many reasons why markets can suddenly sell off, and during these times, investors need to remind themselves that often the biggest rallies in markets come straight after the biggest drops. So remaining invested through this volatility, whilst difficult, I know, is necessary to achieve those long-term returns. Now, I thought I'd share an example with you that happened at the beginning of August that illustrates this really well. End of July, the JSE had been enjoying a really good run for the year and was up over 10% in the first 7 months of 2024. However, when we turned our screens on the next week, we saw a panic sell-off globally, particularly in Japan, where their market had dropped 12% in a single day. Now, this was caused by a number of factors. People were worried about US recession, lower jobs numbers, Middle East wars, and the unwind of the Japanese carry trade. The result was that after the sell-off, the JSE was now only up 4% for the year when it was up 10% just a few days earlier. Now, as difficult as this collapse was to stomach, if you had simply remained invested, you would have witnessed an incredible recovery and move higher. Fast forward 2 weeks from the sell-off, and the JSE was up well over 14% for the year. A wonderful recovery for investors who were able to endure the volatility. Now, in addition to this, your financial advisor will also work with you to determine the appropriate level of risk for your investments, giving you only the amount of volatility you can handle. So stay invested, and we'll chat next week.